everyone, this is Sherry Hemingway. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. We love to have you. So in today's video, we are going to make homemade laundry detergent. This detergent costs under $35 to make, and this was during inflation costs, and it will last you for almost a whole year depending on how much you use. So I'll show you how easy it is to make. Let's do this. Here are the ingredients that you will need for the homemade laundry soap. I will also have the ingredients and the recipe in the description box down below. First, you're going to start out with the Fels-Naptha bar. That's hard for me to say, but you want to grate it. You can grate it with a cheese grater or whatever you can. I grate it in my food processor and then I blend it up really well. You want it to resemble coarse crumbs or sand. Then you're going to take a garbage bag and we're going to start adding our ingredients. So you will need 2 cups of baking soda, then you will add 1 box of borax, which is about 76 ounces. Next, we're going to add 1 box of super washing soda, which is about 55 ounces. Then we're going to add our 3 bars of grated Fels-Naptha soap. Make sure it's small enough that it will dissolve in the washing machine. Next, you're going to add 13 cups of OxiClean. This is around 110 ounces. Now you don't have to add this next ingredient. This is only for the scent. This is optional, but if you would like the scent in your laundry soap, you can add 1 to 2 bottles of the Purex Crystals. This is just for the fragrance. If you want it fragrance-free, just leave this out. Now the next thing you're going to do is just tie the bag really, really tightly, put it in another garbage sack just to make sure that we don't have any of it leak out, because we are just going to mix like crazy just to make sure that it all mixes really well together. After you mix it really well, just cut a little hole in the corner in the bottom and just pour it into a bucket or a glass jar. This one's around 2 gallons. I got it from Walmart a while ago. I'll see if I can find it and put it in the description box. And then this little scoop I got out of an old hot chocolate container that I wasn't using anymore. It's exactly 2 tablespoons. And that's exactly what you need for a regular load. 2 tablespoons for a regular load, 2.5 for a large load, and 1.5 tablespoons for a small load. So a little bit goes a long way. That's why I say this will last you around a year. So you will save so much money making this laundry detergent. So let me know in the comments down below if you make it, if you like it, what you think. Also, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also the little notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the videos that I upload. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.